Welcome to one and all. I am Dr. Vishal Viswanatha Sarmal from Department of Physics, Swami Vivekananda Senior College, Manta. Today I am presenting the lecture on environmental sustainability. In environmental sustainability, there is a two part. First, A part is a concept of sustainability, and B part is towards a sustainable world. A part concept of sustainability. There is a 3 point. One is a sustainable development. Second one is sustainable society, and last one is general indicator. And first to a point, we can see sustainable development. In sustainable development, the issue brought forward in view of challenges at a scale never seen before. Next one is the demographic challenge, strong population growth, notably in developing world. Further resource challenge and increasing uses of resource, renewable and non-renewable, such as raw materials, energy and food. In environmental challenge, higher level of environmental impact of human activities. The capacity of this world to sustain its population is compromised. This is the image of generation of humanity. This in a sustainable development, the sustainable is the process or activity can be maintained without exhaustion or collapse. Intra and intergenerational issue, capacity of a system to accommodate changes such as rates of use renewable resources should not exceed their rates or regeneration. Rates of use of non-renewable resources should not exceed at which renewable substitute are developed. Next one is rate of population emission should not exceed the assimilative capacity of the environment. In development, we see the development is about people, not necessarily the economy. Development is a process. Improvement of the welfare of population is create an enabling environment for people. Obtain forgotten the immediate concern with the accumulation of accumulate and well, finding ways to satisfy and improve human needs. Further, we see the conditions and outcome. In outcome, there is two part human capital and physical capital, and condition shows health, education, and quality of life. And another is rights, equity, and rule of law. And condition appropriate social, political, legal, and economic condition. Outcome improvements of the physical and human capitals. In human capital, we can see that improve health or knowledge. Next, improve opportunity for people to use their acquired capabilities and improve work or leisure condition. In physical capital, improve private infrastructure, improve collective infrastructure. This is the show. This shows the sustainable development table divided in three parts like social equality, economic efficiency, and environmental responsibility. In a social equity, we see the living condition, equal opportunity, social cohesion, and international solidarity. And last one is maintenance of human capital. In economy efficiency, Economic growth, efficiency, and competitiveness. Next one is flexibility and stability, further production or consumption, employment, and international trade. In environmental responsibility, first is consumption of resources. Next one is material and wastage. Third one is risk and rate of change. Last one is natural and cultural landscape. In second, sustainable society, there is a 3E. The 3E indicate that E is equal to economics is equal to ecology or environment or E is equality. What's social? In population, lessen population growth and stabilize it. Stop subsidizing reproduction, access to contraception and family planning, basis material needs satisfied, political and gender equity, access to information and education. First is ecology. In ecology, restore the biological base like soils, forests, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. In agriculture, supporting say ecosystem such as diversity and organic recycling. In energy, minimize and abolish fossil fuel. That is, market forces are like to do so. Shift to natural gas as an interim measure. Move to renewable energy resources. That is hydrogen, solar, wind, geothermal, biomass, and hydroelectric. In economy, promotion of efficiency and recycling. Next one is source materials, mainly recycled materials. Reduce waste in production, packaging, and distribution. Economy like an ecosystem. Dematerialization of the economy. Special form. Rational use of space, dense and compact cities, multi-family dwellings, alternative transportation mode, that is learning, leaning of on mass transit, cycling and walking. This is the graph shows versus energy consumption and population of density. Social form, materials sufficiency and fragility, replacing consumerism and materialism, living according to one's means, self-worth and social status, not measured primarily by possession, balance between individual rights and obligation, end of social welfare and the irresponsibility it creates, governance, less government and more individual initiative, global governance, that is common policies for common causes, and regional autonomy is regional issues and cultural or political differences. Avoid socialism and fascism, especially words improves. This is the image of global sustainability. It contains economic development, ecological development, and social development. This is the graph shows the sources of consumption and quality of life versus quality of life. The third one is general indicator. This graph shows the global sustainability. It divided in Few parts that is first is water, material and waste. Second one is energy and air quality. Third one is land, green space and biodiversity. Fourth one is livability and last one is transportation. What the market can do for the general indicator. In general indicator, we see the first of all energy and air quality. It shows the new sources of energy, less energy intensity, lower emission level. Next one, water materials and waste. Not in water material and waste, it's less water intensity, lower material intensity, recycle system, efficient waste disposal. In land, green space, and biodiversity, increase agriculture productivity and manage durability, improve health, higher education, and global access to information and in entertainment. And in transportation, provide collective and private mobility. Now we can see the second part of the sustainable environment uh, towards a sustainable world. In sustainable world, we can see the three section. First is the conventional world, second is barbarization, and third one is the great transition. Now we can see the first future of humanity. This graph shows the future of humanity in this for barbarization, conventional words, and transport words. First of all, we see the conventional word. In conventional words, the conventional development scenario. It considers the situation left as it is. Solution led to the market mechanism, little or no collective efforts, limited success of birth control policies, generation of wealth but unfair distribution, and consequences shows growth of inequalities and environmental degradation. Further, potential instability and environmental collapse. Second one is balanced growth, legislation and policy intervention, strengthen management system, ensure widespread use of better technology. Further, provide greater social equity and environment protection. Same pattern of production and consumption, notion of global governance. The consequence is less demographic growth and environmental damage may not be enough to curb major global environmental issues. And last one is socialism. Second point is barbarization. We can see the breakdown. In breakdown, new Methodism perspective, case of destructive energy, governmental and social failures, Mad Max scenario. And now we see the consequence, which is the environmental and social deterioration, scarcity, violence, and massive migration, and check population growth, economic collapse, drastic fall in global population levels, loss of institution productive capacity and technology. This graph shows the breakdown scenario from 1900 to 230. See the fortress word, authorization, solution, conflict between the rich and the poor, a minority of elite privilege enclave, protect their way of life by forcefully, imposing limits and social control on impush majority, seizing control of critical natural resources for exclusive use, restricting access to information and technology. Consequences, Unchecked demographic growth, stratification, instability of portrait system may push the world into a breakdown situation. Third one is a great transition. In great transition, eco-communalism, deep green utopian vision, strong collective efforts towards small key. Emphasis like regionalism, localism, and face-to-face democracy. Small technology and economy are Turkey. Consequences says population and economic scale diminish. Environmental condition improve dramatically. And socialism. New sustainability paradigm. Change the industrial civilization. Achieving sustainability at the global level. Every activity must demonstrate sustainability. More equitable global civilization rather than a retreat into localism. Consequences, dramatic decrease of per capita material flow, that is, through behavioral changes and technology improvements. High quality environment, well distributed welfare with economic activity oriented towards services. Conclusion. Which future or what future? In future, in light of the current situation around the world, which scenario is the most likely? And what are the alternative? Population, resources, and the environment. The absolute bottom line will shape the fate of the humanity in the 21st century. Period of strong demographic growth, population policy and family planning, migration and urbanization, consumption of resources, and last one is environmental challenge. Thank you.